Hi everyone! Today we are learning about transportation in English. Transportation helps us move from one place to another. Let's explore fun vehicles together and learn their names. This is a car. A car is one of the most common transportation types. People use cars to travel with family or go to work. Cars move on roads and can be very fast and comfortable. This is a bus. A bus carries many people at the same time. Children use buses to go to school every day. Buses are big and follow fixed routes in the city. This is a train. A train travels on railway tracks. Trains can carry many passengers and goods. This is a bicycle. A bicycle has two wheels. People use bicycles for exercise and short trips. It is healthy and does not pollute the air. This is an airplane. Airplanes fly in the sky. They are the fastest way to travel long distances. People use airplanes to travel between countries. This is a motorcycle. Motorcycles are smaller than cars. They are fast and easy to move in traffic. This is a ship. Ships travel on water. They carry people and goods across oceans. Ships are slower but can carry very heavy things. Quiz time! Which transportation flies in the sky? Is it a car, a train, or an airplane? Yes, the correct answer is airplane. Next question. Which one travels on water? Is it a bus, a ship, or a bicycle? Great job! The correct answer is ship. Last question. Which transportation has two wheels and no engine? Is it a motorcycle, a bicycle, or a car? Correct, the answer is bicycle. Amazing job today! Now you know many transportation words in English. Keep practicing and try to name vehicles around you every day. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye!